Welcome to the Vault version 3.0. We're going to talk about comparing models to each other and also comparing individual aircraft within a model to each other. So the first thing we'll do is we'll pull up a model, the G550, and here comes, if you've seen some other tutorials, you're familiar with the landing page here. So all I do is simply click compare model, and then it'll ask me compare to what. So we're going to pick the 7X, but notice while we're entering that, you can compare with similar models we've already identified, models you own, that you previously saved. So here we go, we're going to compare the G550 to the Falcon 7X. And up comes a comparison. Now notice that the comparison starts with general information, then there's some performance, cabin dimensions, exterior dimensions, current marketplace, fixed and variable operating costs, and a technical comparison. So that's how you can compare models very quickly within the Vault. Now let's talk about how do we compare individual aircraft in a model. So let's go back to that 550 model and let's say, hey, of the 550 model, I just like the first two. Now we're gonna compare those, all right? We're gonna compare the two, and when we hit the compare button, the version of our market survey that would normally come up with all 28 aircraft for sale will just show you the two aircraft that you've asked to compare. And you'll see, certain biographical information, ask price, features, and then of course the Guardian estimate of what we think each airplane is worth. So it should be very valuable in a comparison. And so now you know how we compare models to each other and also individual aircraft within a model. Thank you.